Chapter 9. Drone Businesses for the Now. Drones have become the center of attention and everyone is after them. The reason behind the demand is their potential to make unprecedented benefits. You should not miss this opportunity. Making the right decision can change your idea of using drones from a hobby into a money-making venture. For example, a drone repair shop. Just like handset phones, drones are more of a personal gadget, and this is where the right opportunity presents itself. Perhaps the best part is that not all drone owners know exactly how to fix them in case of failure. Unfortunately, or rather fortunately for you, these machines come with a higher potential of damage. So you can capitalize and make a great business out of it. If you know how to fix drones when they break down, you can start a repair shop and help owners whose drones are out of service while you make money. Why do people in your area have to ship their drones to have them fixed when you can get the job done locally? Train novice users. It is obvious that most people do not know how to use their machines as they take it right out of the box. And just as anyone would take some time to learn how to use their new Android or an iPad, such is the case with drones. In that matter, it is possible most new drone owners who do not know how to fly it will need such service to be able to operate it safely. This is where you come in, to help them understand how to control flight into the skies and back. Not many people are learning the ropes on the use of these machines. Your area may be yet to get professional flying drones. And while most manufacturers are providing manuals to help drone users learn how to operate, a personal assistance can be far-reaching. So if you are a pro in commanding these machines, you can share your expertise with others and make a profit in return. Aerial photography. This practice is what most camera drones are all about. And regardless of the fact that the FAA is yet to authorize the use of drones to take aerial pictures for commercial purposes, most companies are coming into the industry every day. If you have what it takes to keep this device in the air, you can offer services to these companies and make a profit, advancing your business into a major enterprise. It's possible this will catch FAA's attention. Just make sure you have the authority to operate drones.